In this session, I'm going to show you how to create a query widget. As per the latest release to BotPoint's platform, we have an additional capability to create your views as a widget in your dashboard. So let me show you. In case if you're an existing user, and I'm sure you know what are views, that's possible to see from here. So views is the list of columns that you prefer to have as your view will be created. In case if you're a new user, please check with our solution experts on how to create column views. So the moment we have the views here in documents page, for example, I would like to see the aggregated value for overall instance that exists inside this particular view. So in case if I want to see average number of genders that is present inside the project, that's possible. So let me show you how to go ahead and configure this query widget into our dashboard. So let me click on this, and by clicking on create, I would like to show you the completely new dashboard here. So by clicking on add widget, you will see an additional template that had popped up saying query widget. Click on it. So I can start viewing my views inside this widget. So if there are 10 or 20 or even 50 number of views, you can create a number of views and all those will be listed here. So in this case, I just want to view my existing columns as a widget in my dashboard. So I'm including the document title and enabling the deep link. So by doing this, you will be able to see the title of the document, and your particular data will also have a deep link to the document. So I'm clicking on the table view that has my preferred view, and I click add. So the moment I click this, the view that I've created inside the document list page had popped up here as my dashboard. So here's the document title and the deep link that works. I would like to have an additional widget which has the external aggregate values as part of my data. So I'm clicking on the query widget, I'm pulling the Aadhaar, and I would like to just see the date of birth aggregation as the count or the average of date of birth that exists, and the gender I would say overall, overall count of the gender. The other columns I don't want any data. In such case, I can delete it. So the moment I create the aggregation in this particular view, based on the the values that exist inside the project, on an average, you'll be able to see. So let me click on this. I'm just clicking the legend and I'm adding it. So here comes the data. So across the project, I will be able to see the count that exists, the date of birth count, and the gender, the overall count of the gender. In case if you want to change it to table view, still it's possible, edit it and just add it. You will be able to see. Now you can see the date of birth on an average inside this particular view is this count. And the gender is basically we have overall seven gender that is available inside this project. Assuming you have 50,000 and odd data as as your view, so you can directly pull all these aggregated value and you can save it as your dashboard. Thank you so much for watching this video.